Hi everyone. Git is the backbone of version control for developers. In this video, I will share 10 Git commands that will help you save time, avoid mistakes, and collaborate effectively in your projects. The first command is git clone. What it does, it copies a remote repository to your local machine. It's important because it lets you start working on a project in seconds. And the command looks like this. You write git clone and the remote repository link. The second command is git status. It shows the current state of your working directory, and it's important because it tracks changes that we make in the repo, stage files, and untracked files. And the command looks like this. You simply write git status. The third command is git add. It stages changes for the next commit, and it's important because it prepares your changes to be saved in the repository. Here the command looks like this. We write git add file name to add a single file, or we can add multiple files. Or we can use git add dot or period to stage all changes. Command number 4 is git commit. It saves your changes to the local repository, and it's important because it creates a snapshot of your work with the message. In this case, the command looks like this, where we write git commit -m and then a brief message to describe what changes were made. Command number 5 is git push. It uploads your local commits to a remote repository, and it's important because it lets you share your work with the team or back it up remotely. And the command looks like this, where we write git push origin main. Command number 6 is git pull. It fetches and merges changes from a remote repository, and it's important because it keeps your local repo up to date with the latest changes. Here the command looks like this. We write git pull origin main instead of git push origin main as we did in the previous slide. Command number 7 is git branch. It lists, creates, or deletes branches, and it's important because it helps us manage different versions of our project. And the command looks like this. We write git branch branch name to create a new branch, or we can write git branch -d branch name to delete an unwanted branch. Command 8 is git checkout. It switches between branches or restores files, and it also allows us to work on different features or fixes. Here the command looks like this. We write git checkout branch name to switch to a branch, or we can write git checkout file name to restore a file. Command number 9 is git merge. It combines changes from different branches, and it's important because it allows us to integrate new features or fixes into the main branch. And the command looks like this, where we write git checkout main and then we write git merge branch name. Command number 10 is git log. It shows the commit history, and it's important because it helps us track changes and debug issues. In this case, we simply write git log, or we can write git log --, one line for compact view. These were the 10 Git commands that will help you save time, avoid mistakes, and collaborate effectively with your teammates in your projects. Practice these in your projects to become a Git expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.